Good morning and welcome to this class. I am Madhyadasan. I come from Lexita English Training Academy. Lexita is an acronym taken from the word Lexicon English Training Academy. Lexicon means dictionary. A specialized dictionary is called lexicon. For example, medical lexicon, law lexicon, language lexicon, etc. Lexicon means dictionary. So lexicon English Training Academy means dictionary English teaching. For that, I welcome you all. And நம்மில் யாருக்குத்தான் ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேச வேண்டும் என்று விருப்பமில்லை. நாம் அனைவரும் ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேச வேண்டும் என்று மிக மிக விரும்புகிறோம். We all want to speak in English. But something prevents us. ஏதோ நம்மை தடுக்கிறது. நம்மை ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேச விடாமல் ஏதோ ஒன்று தடுக்கிறது. Something prevents us from talking in English or communicating in English. What is that? There's a word in English called inhibition. ஆங்கிலத்தில் inhibition என்ற ஒரு வார்த்தை இருக்கிறது. அதற்கு பேர் பய உணர்வு. பயம் அல்ல, பய உணர்வு. If I speak in English, I may make mistakes. நான் ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேசினால் தவறாக பேசிவிடுவேன் என்ற ஒரு பய உணர்வு. That makes you to stay back. அதான் உங்களை பின்தள்ளி நிறுத்துகிறது. If you are just get out of this inhibition, you can communicate well in English. I assure you, you can communicate well in English. For that, you should become a student of the communication skill. Now you can ask a question, why should I? At this age, why should I become a student of communication skill? Just to speak in English? Speak it in English fluently? Speak in English fluently without mistakes? And speak in English fluently without mistakes with the correct and right vocabulary. Vocabulary plays a very vital role in communication. For that, you have to become a learner. Babies are learners. Babies are learners. Babies are born not as singers. Babies are born not as dancers. Babies are born not as cricketers. Babies are born not as orators. Babies are born not as writers. Babies are born as babies. They slowly learn the techniques. And finally, they become great singers. They become great dancers. They become great cricketers. They become great orators. And they become great writers. For that, you have to be a learner. Slowly learn a little every day. Learn a little every day. Slowly you can build an empire. Rome is not built in 7 days. ரோமா சாம்ராஜ்யம் 7 நாட்களில் உருவாக்கப்பட்டது அல்ல. I'm not talking about the Rome, the present Rome, the Roma சாம்ராஜ்யம். It took a lot of time to build up an empire. Likewise, it may take a little more time for you to be a fluent communicator. 3 ஆண்டுகள் 4 ஆண்டுகளில் பொறியியல் படித்துவிட்டு you become an engineer. 3 ஆண்டுகள் or 3 years learning business, you become business administrator. But we have been learning this language for 15 to 18 years. Pre-KG, LKG, UKG, and first standard to 12th standard, that makes 15 years. And then for 3 years or 5 years, the 4 years of the college, that makes to 18 to 19 years. Even after 18 to 19 years of learning the language, we have not become communicators. Because we have not learned the language, it has to be learned. Or it should have been learned. நான் ஆங்கிலத்தை எப்படி கற்றுக்கொள்ள வேண்டுமோ அப்படி கற்றுக்கொள்ளவில்லை. Today is the day we can learn the language. For that thing, so you have to become a learner. And there are 3 rules in English to learn the language. One is listen. Second one is listen. Third one is listen. The three rules to learn a language is listen, listen, listen. A child learns a language by listening. Just by listening, a child learns not only a language, everything. To become a dancer, to become a singer, everything a child learns by listening. A child born in Tamil Nadu speaks in Tamil. If the child was born in Kerala, he speaks in Malayalam. If the same child was born in USA, he speaks in English. If the same child was born in China, he speaks in Chinese. Very simple. So by listening, we can learn the language. So, and there are three things again. Three things in the language. The one is called lexis. Second one is called syntax. Third one is called intonation. What is lexis? Lexis means words, vocabulary. You need to know a lot of words. If you know a lot of words, you can speak a lot of sentences. And second one, syntax. What is syntax? Syntax is not the water tank which we know. This is arrangements of the vocabulary or arrangement of the word in such a way that it gives you the right sense, complete sense. It has to be arranged in such a way that there should be no mistake of understanding what you speak. That's called syntax. That is called intonation. Intonation means the intricacies of the language, how you speak the language, how you read the language, where to stop and where not to stop, where to raise your voice, where to lower your voice, where not to raise or lower your voice. All these things is called syntax. In written English, we use punctuations. But in spoken English, we have to use the syntax. If you know the syntax, you can speak the language perfectly. For example, kill him, not leave him. Kill him, not leave him. You can say, kill him, not leave him. Kollu vidade. Or you can say, kill him, not leave him. Kollade vittidu. One sentence, no change. There you stop. Kill him, not leave him. Sagarichurram. Kill him not. Kollade, leave him. Vittidu. Where to stop? Just where to stop? The life of a person stings on where you stop. In written communication, you can put the comma and say. But in spoken language, you cannot say, kill him not, comma, or kill him, comma. No. So this is the intricacies of the language. There are 4 pillars of the language. No? 4 pillars of a language, not only English, for any other language. The 4 pillars are called LSRW. LSRW. L for listening. S for speaking. R for reading. W for writing. So you have to listen, speak what you have listened, and write and read. The language is perfect. So you can perfect the language. You have to spend just 15 minutes a day. Just spend 15 minutes a day with me. I will make you a great communicator. Monday through Friday, 5 days a week. 5 days a week. And 2 months in a year. That's enough for you to become a great communicator. For that, you do not pay me any fees. இதை நீங்க கத்துக்கிறதுக்காக எனக்கு எந்த கட்டணமும் செலுத்த தேவையில்லை. ஒன்றே மட்டும் செய்யுங்கள். You subscribe the channel. Please subscribe the channel and please don't forget to click the bell icon nearby. So when you go to my channel, how to go to my channel? Go to YouTube, go to the search button, click the search button, type Mariadasan A, MARIADASAN space A, Mariadasan A. My channel will appear to you. You listen the language. Every day you attend the classes. And you have a doubt, you can put it in the chat box. I'll be giving you replies the next class. So please do one thing. Please subscribe the channel. Please click the bell icon. There ends your work. And please note, every day attend 15 minutes. If you can spend 15 minutes a day, anytime you can spend, you select your time. So we have habits. We have habits. All of us have habits. You attach this also with the another habit so that it will become a habit. Once it becomes a habit, you will be always do that without any omission. So attach this with another habit. Drinking coffee is a habit. Reading newspaper is a habit. So we have so many habits. So attach this listening habit, make it a habit so that you can learn the language and you can become a communicator, a good communicator, a great communicator without mistakes, with the right vocabulary, fluently, and with everybody. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon nearby. Thank you.